I don't want to rub it in or anything, but I have a couple of days off coming up. And I'm just wondering if this Tropical Depression 11 is going to ruin anything. I think not, right, Craig Setzer?
Well, now that you said something, I think it is. But before that, I think we were going to be fine. No, Tropical Depression 11 is probably not going to bother us, thankfully. I never really had that sense that this was something to watch, and my sense hasn't changed. Here's the latest advisory. No news really here. It's still a tropical depression, winds at 35 miles an hour, but it is forecast to strengthen. It's not surprising that it hasn't gotten much stronger today, still dealing with a little bit of wind shear down there. Here's the threat cone, and this shows not only the cone, that's the outline area, but the threat for tropical storm conditions. There's the Saturday afternoon time frame and the Sunday afternoon time frame, and you can see the tropical storm conditions getting very close to the northern Leeward Islands there. This is in the Sunday afternoon, Sunday night time frame. But then after that, watch what happens. The storm is forecast to weaken and turn more to the north, and that's good news because here we are. And we like storms that recurve way off to our east. In fact, it is forecast to weaken. That's why that yellow area just kind of fades on out. Here's the way it's looked today. It has not looked that impressive. It has been struggling with wind shear blowing against it. You can see the circulation clearly showing up there. But when we look at it with the water vapor loop, you can see that it's not a big system, and it's also literally swimming in dry air. There is dry air all around it. Now, a lot of times a storm can fight off dry air unless there's something blowing the dry air into it, and that's the case with the wind shear, and it's been blowing dry air into it throughout the day. It does have an opportunity to strengthen tomorrow and probably on Friday as well before it runs into more shear. So here's the future track taking it to the west. That is the 6 p.m. tomorrow time frame there, where it's in a low shear environment, likely will strengthen. Still through Friday, much of the day it's in a low shear environment, but then it runs right into this wall of shear Saturday and Sunday, and that's when the forecast weakening occurs. In fact, it may devolve all the way down into basically just a tropical wave. Here's Everglades Holiday Park camera this afternoon, looking nice and tropical summery out there. 92 was the high, 79 the low. Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood 90 and 80, and 93 and 85 in Key West. Radars are quiet now, but boy, what a big round of storms this morning. Northern Broward. I think we're going to see another round of storms across parts of South Florida later tonight and tomorrow. So as we go through the evening, summer muggies, a stray storm possible, but the best chance for storms later on tonight, a low near 80. Tomorrow, storms to start, and then we get back into steamy afternoon sun. High temperature near 92 degrees. On the water, winds light east-southeast 10. Seas 2 feet or less, a light chop on the bays, and taking us through the rest of the weekend. Our rain chances go up a bit on Saturday and even more so on Sunday. It also gets hotter. Back to you.